So now let's begin. The data standards and the information standards and the knowledge standards uh, has definition in the previous meeting. So we can preview the definition. So the first is data standards. The data standards is divided to 5 parts. Here is the introduction about data standard. So anyone can have question in the previous definition. The words anyone can watch clearly.
It's okay.
Well, so the first photograph, the first graph, the semantic of data can be seen as a specific manifestations. The end sentence is a distinction between a conceptual space and the semantic space from response to different philosophical perspectives on the technology. This part anyone can have question. If anyone have no question, the second paragraph it's just the preview the previous meeting. Make the definition of data, information, and the knowledge. So we translate into the English. So we just preview the English of, from the Chinese. If anyone can have no question, the second paragraph begin from conceptual space processing to the thus referred to as subjective. So anyone have questions? If anyone have no questions, let's continue to third paragraph. The third paragraph is about the data standards of the mathematical definition. So the sentence begin is in the semantic in the semantic space, and the end of paragraph is the D equals D CLS. So anyone have question in the data standards of definition by mathematics. Well, if anyone no questions, we continue to the fourth paragraph. The fourth paragraph is in the DIKWP models begins to the its cognitive value in association with existing conceptual space of cognitive entities. Anyone have question in the first graph? First paragraph? Well, if anyone have no question in fourth paragraph, let's continue to the next paragraph. In the fifth paragraph is the paragraph in the DIKWP models. The semantic of data cognitive object from cognitive space and considerate specific manifestations to the same data concept even in case of the external differences. So this paragraph, anyone have questions?
I have some suggestions. Wu Kunguang, are you a student of Professor Duan?
Yes.
Can
Do you
you
have
hear
any
me?
questions? Yes.
I have one suggestion. Uh, this, this text should be uh more interesting for the readers. You can add more examples. For now, there are many conceptual conception, uh, uh, abstract, especially abstract conception, which may be confuse, which may confuse the readers. Therefore, I suggest in the end of each paragraph, it's better to add one example to let readers understand what you are saying easily.
Well, and now your questions. We will enrich the example about this. Your meaning about the space, just like spectral space and the cognition space. You means we can enrich our text about this space by two or one or two examples.
Yes, to make your book to make your book more interesting or more vivid for readers, you can add more rich text. Rich text. Rich text includes figures and the tables or examples by uh, by by language.
It's a good question, but this text of the standards is for the standard document about the DIKWP evaluation of AI. So we need to just explain about the DIKWP standards. If you want to enrich, and we can accept your suggestions in carefully. So no, we will give your we will send your suggestions into our committee. If committee accept, we will enrich the text enrich the text for the standards.
Okay, if you think you can express your ideas briefly and shortly, you can remain the text. It remains the current text. Okay, you can continue your progress.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome, Secretary.
Mm.
Okay, let's preview the next paragraph. The next paragraph begins data concepts are viewed as basic. For the constructor natural language conceptual representations of the world. About this paragraph, if anyone have questions, you can speak at times.
I think you can go through the whole document firstly and ask comments and opinions later. You don't need to stay in this the same screen for a long time.
Well, if anyone have questions, let's begin.
I think you don't need to ask for each paragraph. You can go through the whole documents slowly, but in a visible manner. So later.
Okay.
We need to. I think that we need to keep the time, so you know how much content we have.
Okay, thanks for the professional. The next, I will blow my screen in slowly. Just to preview the previous meetings about about data information and knowledge standards of definitions. Just if anyone have questions and send me and say after scrolling. Okay. And now we enter the information standard.
I think you can start with the information standard. I think information standard, data standard, I think you can make it more clear, like standard of information for the concept and the semantics. All the standard is for the concept, but actually you refine the meaning of the information concept. So I think the English expression is confusing.
You mean about the information standard? The title of the information standard is not is not expressed clearly.
I think you can change it to standardization of information as a concept.
Okay. We will consider it.
And you need to go back to make every title clear, the meaning of every title clear.
You mean not the information and about the data standard can need to change too.
I will send this. I will send you the text. Please go through. Continue.
Well, and I will grow my screen in slowly. Now we enter in a knowledge standard.
Do you see the reflect? The reflect. You missed. Yes. This is you see you put your yes.
In the sorry, I have a questions. In each equation, the where should be in lowercase， 这个就是 where 就是应该是小写那个，而且顶格 in the footer left， 这是重记，其他地方也存在问题。
OK，
然后那bracket 是 now in italic， 就是那括号不要再就是斜体，不应该斜体所有的括号。and arrow replacing 这个 and 不要的，delete 的 and where arrow is then where arrow 是 be in italic 斜体 arrow in italic。
等一下，你那个 e 后边那个不是英文标识，到时候转到国际版的时候会是错的。括号，双脚、半脚这些的全面检查，就是其他国家人打开就是乱码。
The knowledge case should be also in italic. Just as the professor Don said, the standard should be replaced by a were such as concept， 那个标准那两个字是不是改成概念什么的？数据标准，然后知识标准，有没有这样说啊？就是 data concept 数据概念，还是看看是怎么样？你每一个节都是用标准这个，你是中文可能有这么说，英文有没有这样说的？我看应该是改为概念吧，是意义 information concept， 比如说是信息的概念吧，是信息的 definition， 就是定义什么之类的。你怎么标准化的信息啊？是吧？用 concept 还是用 conceptualization？ 好像有一个更一个概念化之类的一个，好像 conceptation 那是什么？
conceptualization
哦，是吧？因为原来是从中文 change to English from Chinese to English, so there's some replacement problem.
I think this is better, much better. Here, stop here. You see, all forming knowledge semantics before forming knowledge semantics. You see, in the first paragraph, the line to the next to the last line. All. You see, yeah. Forming knowledge, before forming knowledge. Before forming knowledge, no. You see, in the part 双括号中间的 all 后边多了一个逗号，而且这个逗号是中文的。你仔细检查一下，里边有很多中文符号。
OK，
恭喜下面的未改为小写，因为这个是重记。顶格。行，其他公式回去也是一样改，有很多地方都是。
你看你鼠标往后移，那个 A 前面的逗号是中文的 ，AD 后边那个逗号又是中文的，全都要改。ADAI 的那个逗号都是中文的，不统一。你和上面那个11121这些逗号是不一样的，现在还是错的。
全角半角，中文是全角，那个英文是半角。
还是错的。Between these concepts 后边那个逗号是错的，和前面 e 等于 e equals e1 e2 的这个逗号是不一样的。Swan's are wide，那个地方就是往上 spans are wide，这个的句号是在外边，不在里边。
All of all of the commas we will fix them in offline. Do have anyone questions?
Stop. I think the English should be improved. For example, here the each formation of knowledge rules in the third line of this screen. The third line. Each formation of knowledge rules represents. I think it should be the formation of each knowledge rules, each knowledge rule. The formation of a knowledge rule. No, not each. The formation of a knowledge rule. Remove each. The formation a knowledge rule.
And the formation of a knowledge rule.